What are you doing, Megan? I don't think it's gonna get clean like that. Why'd you do that?
It goes in the back.
What are you talking about? They belong here.
You're wrong.
Enough of putting them in the back.
They don't get as clean when they're facing down. That's why they have to be.
But then they get dirty all over again when you touch them.
Just wash your hands.
Enough of that. That took us way too long.
Yeah, if only you knew the proper way to load a dishwasher.
That's not true, actually. I think you don't know the right way to do it.